Welcome back to my channel. This is the part 6 series of video, real cost to build a house, concrete house cheap. So in part 5 of this series, we complete the roof of the basement level. As you can see, all the steels, electrical pipe and plumbing work is ready to do the upper level of this building. So this is the roof of the basement floor, which we speak about in a couple series of video. So in this video we're going to do things a little different because we're going to show the 3D view of what this building will look like when it is complete. So remember this building? Yes, this building, this is the basement level. In other words, it's a split level. So this is just the part of the building at the level of the land. So this is the basement level. So now that we complete the roof, we don't have any much pretty view on the overhead. So when you're doing the overhead view, you're just seeing a piece of concrete with steels and electrical pipe and plumbing pipe ready to do the building. So it is like the foundation for the next segment of building. So what we are going to do, I got to give you a look at the 3D plan view for this video. So for the basement level, this is the overhead view from a 3D point of view. So you will get more clear understanding of what you were doing in the series of video coming up to this part 6 series. So this is the 3D overhead view where you can see the kitchen area with the kitchen fixtures, the living area with the living fixtures, the dining area, living fixture. You see where the staircase come upstairs. So that's the beauty and the good thing about the 3D view of your building. So who cannot understand what you get on your plan, you can get the 3D version to get more understanding of what your building will look like. So this 3D version is the exact thing of all the series of video coming up to now. Alright, this is the upper level. So where I was talking about the steels and the plumbing fixtures, this is what, when you lay the blocks and things, this is what the upper level of the house will look like. So upon the whole complete living area of this house, when it is complete, it will be about 4,900 and plus square feet, nearly 5,000 square feet of building. So this is huge. So I just do things a bit different here for viewers and subscribers to get a clear understanding of what this building will look like up and completing this building. Do remember, if it's the first time you used to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, press the notification bell to see more video like this. So this is the glass view. So the glass view allows you to see all the elements that used to put this 3D building together. So this is a glass view. Some of you might have experience of the glass view, some of you might never see before, but I like to put in as much information as I can. So as I say, so this is a view without the landscape, because this is a hilly or slopey location. The landscape is hilly or slopey, so I got to give you a next view now with the land. So this is a next 3D view with what the shape of the land is like. So if you can see, I don't know if you can make it out, some part is slopey, some part is flat. So originally this is what the land location is like. So this house did not build on a flat piece of land. So as I said in video before, sometimes people asking about what's the cost to build a house, and I say it all depends on the location, the behavior of the land. So this is what I'm talking about. So if you think this video is educational or interested, do remember to leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell. Encourage me to do more video like this. So this is what this 4,900 plus square feet house will look like up on the completing of this building. So this is a good thing about 3D. You can get to see your building in real time, what it will look like before you even lay the first block. So you just pay fee, get your 3D do, so you can get an understanding of what the building will look like. So because when the contractor or the workman lay the blocks and they say, oh, that's not what I did want there or whatever, it's gotta be money to lick out and fix. So if you have the 3D, you can always get things look as you want it, for easier life for you and for the contractor and workman and everybody, and it saves you money. So I decided to do this video this way. I don't sure if you guys will like what I'm doing, interested in this 3D version. So I do a lot of different recording of the 3D version, the upper level, the lower level, and this video go on for a while. So you can sit back, relax, take a look, tell me what you like, what you didn't like, what I could do to make this video more interesting. So this is about 14 minutes of video, and there's a lot of different 3D angles. So tell me what you think. I'm just trying to give off much information as I can and a full view and details. And do remember, for this series of video, there's a download link below in the description where you can download the material list for this video, and some of the material list is under in the description below. So I give as much information I can. If there's anything I leave out, you can drop me a line, ask me a few questions. I don't know everything, but I know a lot. So I will try to answer as much as I can. So, did I do a good job? Did I not? Let me know. Do remember, I provide 3D service for any shape and style building. So if you have your building plan but you would like to get a 3D version of your building plan, see the link below and we can work out payment plan and the cost to do your 3D plan. So if you are interested to get your 3D plan done for your building, you can contact me. There's a link in the description below and you can send me a sketch of your plan, or if you have the physical floor plan, and I can make the 3D version from it. So let me know. I'm here. I'm the man for the 3D version.